Stomach pain and digestive issues. Causes and natural cure. Allahu Akbar, Dua and Morga oral liquid. Are you suffering from constant stomach pain, acidity, or digestive problems? Do you feel bloated, weak, or experience frequent discomfort after eating? Today we will uncover the real causes behind stomach-related diseases, how they affect your entire body, and most importantly, how to heal them naturally using Allahu Akbar, healing therapy and Morga oral liquid, a powerful herbal remedy that maintains body pH, improves digestion, and controls blood pressure. Stay with us till the end because we'll show a live demonstration on how to use these remedies effectively for long-term stomach health. Part 1. How stomach diseases start. Stomach issues are not just about pain. They indicate something is wrong inside your body. Millions of people suffer from gastritis, inflammation of the stomach lining, causing pain and discomfort. Acid reflux stomach acid flows back into the food pipe, leading to burning sensations. Open sores in the stomach lining, causing severe pain, cramping, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. Constipation and diarrhea, digestive system imbalance, leading to irregular waste removal. H. pylori infection, a bacterial infection that weakens the stomach and causes ulcers. Lactose intolerance, inability to digest dairy, leading to bloating and gas. Colitis and Crohn's disease, severe inflammation of the intestines causing pain and diarrhea. Gallbladder issues, pain due to gallstones and improper bile flow. Liver detoxification problems, a sluggish liver affects digestion and leads to toxicity buildup. Why do these stomach issues occur? Stomach problems arise due to unhealthy diet. Spicy, oily, and junk food irritate the stomach lining. Stress and anxiety. Mental stress directly impacts digestion, causing acid imbalance. Bacterial infections. Harmful bacteria weaken digestion and cause ulcers. Poor blood circulation, weak stomach muscles lead to slow digestion. Chemical-based medicines. Long-term use of painkillers and antibiotics destroys stomach health. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to long-term digestive disorders and serious health risks. Part 2. How stomach problems affect the whole body. It starts with small digestive discomfort, occasional acidity or bloating. The pain becomes frequent, stomach pain occurs daily, making it difficult to eat. It spreads to other organs. Poor digestion leads to fatigue, headaches, and joint pain. Lack of nutrient absorption. The body stops absorbing vitamins properly, leading to weakness. If your stomach is unhealthy, your entire body suffers. Part 3. Healing stomach diseases with spiritual and natural remedies. Step 1. Spiritual healing. The power of Allahu Akbar. Dua. Healing is not just physical, it's also connected to faith and energy. How to perform the healing dua. Place your hand on the stomach area. Close your eyes and say, Allahu Akbar 100 times, 3 times a day. Imagine the pain leaving your body as you feel warmth in the stomach area. This method helps release stress, improve digestion, and balance energy in the stomach. Step 2. Morga oral liquid, the ultimate stomach health solution. What is Morga oral liquid? 100% natural and chemical-free, safe for long-term use. Balances stomach pH, reduces acid reflux, heartburn, and acidity. Controls blood pressure, helps regulate blood flow and circulation, heals digestive disorders, provides relief from bloating, ulcers, and indigestion. How to use it? Take 1 tablespoon of Morga oral liquid after each meal. Since we eat 3 times a day, you should take this liquid 3 times daily after breakfast. Thousands of people have reported immediate relief after using this powerful remedy. Step 3. The right diet for a healthy stomach. What to eat? Fresh fruits and vegetables, yogurt and probiotics, whole grains and fiber-rich foods, herbal teas for digestion. What to avoid? Oily and spicy foods, carbonated drinks and caffeine, excessive sugar and processed foods. Part 4. Real-life success stories and testimonials. Testimonial 1. I had chronic acidity for years, but after using Morga oral liquid, I can eat freely without pain.
Warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Ustaz Muhammad Demba from the madrasa. I sick 2 years because I went every hospital. They told me I have a lung cancer. I cough too much. For 2 years, I cannot do nothing. So today I came here to find out a medicine. Alhamdulillah, I start to take one spoon. It's going down. Alhamdulillah. I hope I'll be very fine, inshallah ta'ala. My dua to you and to people of Pakistan and Gambia, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect all of us.
Testimonial 2. Stomach ulcers made my life miserable, but with spiritual healing in this remedy, I feel cured.
Assalamu alaikum, brother. My name is Musa. I'm not feeling well, but when I come to Global Pain Healer, Alhamdulillah, I'm getting better. Thanks, Dr. Bukhari. May Allah bless you.
Testimonial 3. I suffered from bloating and indigestion daily, but now I feel light and energetic.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Lembo Ture. I came here, Global Pain Healers. And when I came, they test me, my blood pressure, because my pressure is high. And when I came here, they first test me 145. And then when I drink the medicine, after 30 minutes, we try again. They test me again, and it dropped to 124. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Dr. Bukhari. May Allah bless you. Alhamdulillah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh. I am Haja Mariama Suso from Banjul. I am here to see Dr. Bukhari. I say Alhamdulillah to Dr. Bukhari. Thank you, Dr. Bukhari. Thank you, Dr. Bukhari, because I was sick over 25 years. I have this pain all over my body. But since I came and see Dr. Bukhari with the team, they helped me. I came without paying no fee. It's here in the center. You come, they make consultation free. But if you come, you buy your medicine. And the medicine, they are very good. The medicine are very good. There are many medicine here, but me, my own was pain. I have, all my body is paining. But since I start taking the medicine, Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Now I can pray, I can go out, I can do anything I was doing in the age of 25, 30. Now I am 62 years, but Alhamdulillah, with Dr. Bukhari, I have now my strength, I have my Mariama back. So in this clinic, nobody is paying, nothing here is free, but the medicine, you have to buy it. Thank you, Dr. Bukhari. I am praying for you. Me, Mariama, I am praying for you, for God give you long life. May you stay with your strength, with all your knowledge, because you are helping Gambia people. Thank you very much.
6. Clinic locations and contact details. For a personal pain healing session, visit our centers across Pakistan and Gambia. Rawalpindi Center address C1, 4th floor, Bahrain Complex, Phase 4, Baria Town. Contact +923 368 586 385 Karachi Center. Address Shop number 4, Haroon Center, Muskan Charangi, Main Abu Al Hassan, Isfani Road, Gulshan, Karachi. Contact +923 030 488895 Lahore Center. Address Al Hafiz Suites off Alam Road, 69B-2, Block B-2, Gulberg 3, Lahore. Contact +92 3009 400998. Gambia Center location, Senegambia Main Highway, opposite the Brussels Airline Office. Contact +2202 78568. Our experts will reply with a personalized healing tip. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Click the bell icon so you never miss our latest healing updates.